Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 16, which is based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 16 is if f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k, where k is a constant to be determined, and if f of 0 equal to 1, comma, f of 1 equal to 4, comma, find f of 4. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k. Therefore, now f of x is equal to integral f dash x dx by using definition of integration. So therefore, f of x is equal to integral. Now for f dash x, we substitute 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k bracket complete into dx. Therefore, f of x is equal to. Now here we integrate each term separately. So we get 4 into integral x cube dx minus 3 into integral x square dx plus 2 into integral x dx and plus k into integral 1 dx. So the next step will be f of x is equal to, we write 4 as it is. Now integral of x cube is x raised 4 upon 4 minus 3 into integration of x square is x cube upon 3, then plus 2 into integration of x is x square upon 2 plus k into integration of 1 dx is x, and finally we write c, where c represent constant of integration. So the next step will be f of x is equal to, now here we cancel 4 from numerator denominator, so we left with x raised 4 minus, again we cancel 3 from numerator denominator, so we left with x cube plus 2 we cancel from numerator denominator, so we left with plus x square, then plus k into x, kx plus c. Now let us this denote as a equation number 1. Now here the initial conditions are given. First condition is f of 0 is equal to 1. Now in equation 1 we put x equal to 0. So we get f of 0 is equal to 0 raised 4 minus 0 cube plus 0 square plus k into 0 plus c. Therefore, now here f of 0 given as a 1. So we write 1 is equal to 0 raised 4 0, 0 cube 0 plus 0 squared 0 plus k into 0 0 plus c. So in this way we get the value of c equal to 1. Now the next given is f of 1 equal to 4. Now given f of 1 equal to 4. So it means here we have to put x equal to 1 in equation 1. So the next step will be f of 1 is equal to 1 raised 4 minus 1 cube plus 1 square plus k into 1 plus c. Now for f of 1 we replace 4. So 4 is equal to, now 1 raised 4 gives 1 minus 1 cube gives 1 plus 1 square also gives 1 plus k into 1 gives k plus, and for c we write 1. Therefore 4 is equal to, now here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So we left with 1 plus 1, that is a 2 plus k. Therefore 4 minus 2 is equal to k, and therefore k equal to 2. Now put k equal to 2 and c equal to 1 in equation 1. So finally we get f of x is equal to x raised 4 minus x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1. Now here in this question we have to find f of 4. It means again put x equal to 4 in above equation, we get f of 4 is equal to 4 raised 4 minus 4 cube plus 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 1. Therefore f of 4 is equal to, now 4 raised 4, that is 4 into 4 16 into 4 64, and into 4 gives us 256 minus, now 4 cube, 4 fours are 16 into 4 64 plus 4 square gives us 16 plus 2 fours are 8 plus 1. So f of 4 is equal to, so on simplifying this, that 256 minus 64, that 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Then 15 minus 6 gives 9 and 2 minus 1 that gives 1. So it means 256 minus 64 gives us 192 plus. Now 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1, 25. Therefore, finally, f of 4 is equal to, now 192 plus 25, that 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, carry 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So, in this way, we get f of 4 is equal to 217. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.